Welcome to the world of the snowy owl, one of nature's most fascinating and majestic birds. Look at this remarkable display. Snowy owls have the extraordinary ability to rotate their heads up to 270 degrees, thanks to their flexible neck structure. This helps them keep a vigilant watch over their territory. Those piercing yellow eyes are not just beautiful, they are highly functional. Snowy owls possess excellent vision, both day and night, allowing them to spot prey from great distances. Covered in thick, insulating feathers, snowy owls are well adapted to the frigid Arctic climate. Even their legs and feet are feathered to keep them warm. These birds are formidable hunters. Their diet primarily consists of small mammals like lemmings, which they can consume in large quantities. A single snowy owl can eat more than 1,600 lemmings in a year. The snowy owl, a true marvel of adaptation and survival. Its presence is a testament to the beauty and resilience of nature. Thank you for joining us in exploring the life of the snowy owl. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing wildlife content.